It's
Is
flashing
it blinking
red.
red? Yeah, it's on. No, it's shooting. Reloading. Well, I saw he went down in the bushes. Okay, I'll go down there and get him.
He's uphill. He's that way now.
He went uphill?
Yeah, yeah.
No, Taylor went down here.
Taylor, no, he went up. He went up.
Okay, I'm gonna go get him. No, two lives.
Alright, no, I'm out. We're out. I got hit twice.
Oh.
I'm out.
I get no more life. It's out of battery
I'm out. Yo, chill.
too. We're starting.
Okay, we're good. Okay, start. I want to flank again. The Vans suck ass. Change my mind. Yeah. I have an angle. Hit in the arm. Michael, push up.
No. Michael's a pussy shit.
Richard, you can't shoot. You have to poke your body out. You can't dry fire, or you can't peek without. You can't peek with just your gun. Michael, I flanked. Did you? I didn't feel it. Face mask. I'm dead. I'm out.
You're out? Alright, Aiden's out.
I'm coming down. Did I never hit you?
You hit me right here on the left side.
I got hit in the D.
Fuck you, bitch.
Ah! No. Maybe I should use that gun. I'm the only one who knows how to use it.
Oh yeah, okay.
Wait, crossing? Wait. Ow! I hit my hand again! Dude, you hit my hand twice. Snipe him.
Come here, bitch. Oh, I'm out. He hit me.
Why would you run into the open, you idiot? You guys, this is lasting too long.
Okay.
Is that out?
Take this.
Okay, should we just restart this game?
Bring all the way down. Michael, restart.
Michael, we're restarting. Get back here. We haven't.
All right, start now.
hair in my eye. I'll snipe his toes. Ah, he got the battery! You're out, Richard! Richard's dead. Yeah.
Hey, get your ass up here.
Richard's out. What?
Come up here.
I got Richard. Dude, I sniped Richard in the foot underneath the car.
Yeah, I hit him though. I flanked him when I got him.
I got him twice. Did you hit Taylor? What? Oh, true.
This is the best spot, dude. Look at this.
Wait, can I hit him from here?
Yeah, I hit Richard.
Where? I hit Richard twice.
I'm out though. Drop by the fence over there. Taylor brought out the MP7.
I know, I saw. He shot at me.
And he got me. You can hit him from here.
Oh shit! Oh, I'm out.
Got him.
That's bullshit. You're not allowed to go up
Wait, yeah,
there.
you can't tell me when you're dead, by the way. Okay.
We all hit Taylor first and then we go after Richard. All Richard does is hide.
He hit me. I can't see the BBs. No, they're shooting though. I want to go flank. No, you didn't. No.
Left side, he's by a tree. Redwood.
No?
I got him. Taylor shot once. I might need speed loader soon. Hit. I'm dead. I'm dead. Dead.
Aiden's
Dead.
out. Aiden's out. I hit Aiden twice. He's out.
I got Michael once. Okay, I got hit twice.
Dude.
Whoa. Hey, fuck you.
Hey, we're dead. We're dead.
He's following me.
Hey, don't shoot. We're dead.
You get Michael?
Yeah, I shot.
Okay, I think we need one sniper and one
Hey, what are
MP.
you doing?
I don't think we can get two MP7s on the same team.
Did I spray you, Michael? Yeah, I got sprayed.
I got you twice.
I sprayed the shit out of Aiden.
Dude, this spray is gay.
Yeah, dude, you have no chance. We have no chance if we get sprayed. Okay, no, okay, each team gets one sniper and one MP7.
Yeah, okay.
Give me a sniper. I'm getting sniper.
No, let's
L85's homo shit.
no, let's. Okay, I'm gonna pre-flank them. Okay, we're starting. Is it on? You can't go up there. Yeah, we're starting. I got the flank before he did. I control flank position, Taylor. How am I not hitting you? The epic flank. Whoa. Richard, how am I not hitting you? Excuse me? Richard, how am I not hitting you? Michael, how am I not hitting you? Michael, you're standing right in the open. Dude, I've shot at you like 10 times. How are you not hit? I don't know how I didn't hit them. Taylor! Hey, Taylor! Taylor, are you alive?
Yeah, I'm out.
Taylor, hand me the gun. Oh. Okay, I'm dead. Dude, that's bull. That's so bull. Okay. I call BS, dude. I'm gonna show you this footage, dude. This is actual bull. This is actual bullshit, dude. Richard was just sitting up there, sitting still. I shot him like 10 times. And then Micah was just laying down. I shot him like 10 times.
You're bad. He's so bad.
I got hit once by you. You hit me once. How many times did I hit you?
I hit you guys once? Okay, I couldn't.
This kid got his ass knocked.
Dude, I couldn't tell. I couldn't, dude. I couldn't tell if I was hitting you. I'm like, there's no way I'm not hitting you guys.
Did I hit you once?
Okay, no, I don't think so.
I thought you shot me once.
No, you hit me once over there because you sprayed me. Okay, I'm done with that. I'm done with that. Give me one of those. Give me that. Wait. Okay. Okay, guys, start. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna. Well, they don't stand in the open. They can, the MP7s can hit you.
Nah, MP7 can hit me from here, right?
If they aim high enough, they can. Like that one just bounced near my foot. You have a bottle.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Where is it? I got you, homie.
Okay, let me just explain the situation here because you can't see very well from this. So basically, Taylor's head was poking up out from the table, and I didn't know he was there because I thought he was behind the car next to Richard. So I jumped out and just didn't see his camo head, and he did this.
Oh, dang. I didn't see you. Damn it. What?
Get fucked. Yo, Michael, check out my. Look at my.
Damn it.
Look at my gun
Dude, I didn't see him.
Aiden, you're a bot, dude.
I didn't see
Such a
him.
bot.
Dude, that pisses me off, Taylor. Richard, you suck! Okay, I want rematch. I want a rematch. Is this still on?
Alright, yeah, stop, too far.
Okay, yeah. I want a rematch, dude.
Dude!